Welcome back to the channel, Next Car Lunch. Before you think the 2026 BYD Dolphin is just another small electric hatchback, wait until you hear this. What if you could own an EV that costs thousands less than many rivals, saves money every single week on fuel, needs very little maintenance, and still gives you everything you need for daily driving? Today we're taking a close look at the 2026 BYD Dolphin to find out if this affordable electric car is one of the smartest value buys for American drivers and overseas buyers. Stay with us because the hidden value of this EV might surprise you. The 2026 BYD Dolphin continues to build on BYD's reputation for making practical and affordable electric vehicles. While BYD is still expanding into more global markets, this compact EV has already become popular in many countries because it offers modern technology without a premium price. For buyers looking for an everyday electric car instead of an expensive luxury model, the Dolphin deserves serious attention. Let's start with the price because that's where many buyers become interested. If the BYD Dolphin officially enters the United States in the future, experts expect pricing to begin around $24,000 to $29,000 depending on the version and equipment. In Japan, the expected price could range between $23,000 and $28,000 after local adjustments. In export markets across the Middle East and other international regions, pricing may fall between $25,000 and $30,000 depending on taxes and import costs. Even if prices change slightly, the Dolphin is expected to remain one of the most affordable electric vehicles in its class. One of the biggest reasons people buy an EV is to reduce fuel costs. Since the Dolphin runs completely on electricity, you never have to stop at a gas station for gasoline. If you mostly charge at home during off-peak hours, your daily driving costs can be much lower than driving a similar gasoline car. Many owners could save hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year depending on how much they drive and local electricity prices. Real-world driving range is another important topic. Depending on the battery version, the 2026 BYD Dolphin is expected to deliver enough range for daily commuting, shopping trips, school runs, and weekend travel. Most drivers will easily complete several days of city driving before needing to recharge. Fast charging capability also helps reduce waiting time during longer trips, making the Dolphin more practical than many people expect. Maintenance costs are another area where this EV performs well. Unlike traditional gasoline cars, there are no engine oil changes, fewer moving mechanical parts, and less routine servicing. That usually means lower maintenance bills throughout ownership. Tire rotations, brake inspections, cabin air filters, and battery system checks become the main service items. This simple maintenance schedule can help owners save money year after year. Long-term ownership costs also look attractive. Electricity is generally more affordable than gasoline, maintenance expenses remain lower, and modern battery technology continues to improve. BYD's Blade battery has gained attention for its durability and safety, giving buyers additional confidence for long-term ownership. If battery performance remains strong over many years, overall ownership costs could be significantly lower than many traditional compact cars. Resale value is always an important question. While electric vehicle resale values can change with market demand, BYD's growing global reputation may help the Dolphin maintain competitive resale value in international markets. As more buyers become comfortable with electric vehicles and charging infrastructure improves, affordable EVs like the Dolphin could remain attractive in the used car market. Insurance costs may vary depending on your location, driving history, and insurance company. Since the Dolphin is a compact vehicle with modern safety technology, insurance may remain competitive compared with larger or luxury EVs. Buyers should always compare multiple insurance quotes before purchasing to find the best value. Spare parts availability is another concern for many American buyers. As BYD expands globally, parts availability should continue improving through official dealer networks and authorized service centers. In countries where BYD already has strong support, replacement parts are becoming easier to find. Future expansion into additional markets would likely improve service support even further, Now let's talk about everyday driving. Around the city, the BYD Dolphin feels light, smooth, and easy to control. Instant electric power makes traffic lights, stop-and-go traffic, and parking much easier than many gasoline vehicles. The compact size also helps drivers fit into smaller parking spaces without stress. For crowded cities and busy neighborhoods, this is a major advantage. On the highway, the Dolphin delivers a quiet driving experience because there is no traditional engine noise. The cabin remains comfortable for long drives, and electric acceleration makes merging into traffic feel smooth and confident. While it isn't designed as a high-performance sports car, it offers enough power for normal highway driving and everyday family use. Daily usability is another strong point. The cabin offers practical seating for passengers, while the cargo area provides enough room for groceries, luggage, work equipment, and everyday shopping. Small business owners who make light deliveries around town may also appreciate the low operating costs, especially when compared with gasoline-powered vehicles used for similar tasks. One of the closest competitors is the Chevrolet Bolt EV. The Bolt has built a strong reputation in North America, but the BYD Dolphin focuses on delivering excellent value through competitive pricing, efficient operation, and low maintenance costs. Buyers looking for the best balance between affordability and long-term savings may find the Dolphin to be a very attractive alternative if it becomes widely available in the American market. For American roads, the Dolphin makes a lot of sense. Its compact size makes city traffic easier to handle, while its comfortable ride works well on suburban roads and highways. Drivers in crowded downtown areas will enjoy easier parking, while commuters can benefit from lower daily operating expenses. Overseas buyers in Japan and the Middle East may also appreciate its efficient design, reliable electric powertrain, and practical everyday performance. The biggest strength of the 2026 BYD Dolphin is simple. It doesn't try to be the fastest or the most expensive electric vehicle. Instead, it focuses on giving buyers reliable transportation, affordable ownership, modern technology, and impressive efficiency. For families, commuters, first-time EV buyers, and value-focused customers, that combination could make it one of the smartest electric cars in its price range. So, would you choose the 2026 BYD Dolphin over a traditional gasoline compact car or another affordable EV? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Today New Car News, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car reviews, comparisons, and automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.